Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Chrome and making a quick choice about sync. If you want history cleared across devices, keep sync on, otherwise pause it in settings. Once Chrome is open, go straight to the three-dot menu, choose History and then History again, or press Ctrl+H, CMD+Y on Mac. This puts you at the full history view so you can act now. Make sure you're signed into the profile whose history you intend to delete. It avoids deleting the wrong account's data. Now you choose the specifics. Click Clear Browsing Data or press Shift plus Control plus Del Shift plus CMD plus Del on Mac. Once the dialog appears, decide Basic versus Advanced depending on how granular you need to be. Advanced exposes form data and site settings. Then pick a time range, last hour up to all time, so you target only the records you want removed. Make sure to check browsing history and any additional boxes like cookies or cached files if you want them gone. Finish by clicking Clear Data and wait for Chrome to complete the removal. Large ranges like all time can take a bit longer. Once done, make sure to verify by reopening history or signing into another synced device. If sync is enabled, those entries should disappear across devices. If you run into problems, try the troubleshooting tip. Disable sync and sign out, update Chrome to the latest version, then attempt the clear again. If needed, restart the browser and repeat the steps to force a fresh sync.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.